How to switch to photo mode on TikTok. So you have to make sure, first and foremost, you have to make sure that you have updated your TikTok application. That is because it's a new feature on TikTok. Now let's just skip ad here and go direct with your TikTok application. Now on the bottom part, you'll see five different options. You will see home, shop, the create a content icon, the inbox, and then your profile. So click on the create icon, create content here, and it will lead you here to your camera section. Right now, let's just put it back. In this section, you will see 10 minutes, 60 seconds, 15 photo and text. So since we want to switch to photo mode on TikTok, then make sure that you have set it here to your photo. And basically all you have to do is to create a photo here, let's say this one, and then post so everyone you can view. It's either everyone, friends, or only you. Click on only you and tap on check mark here. And basically you have successfully added, or you have successfully switched to photo mode on TikTok. And basically that is it. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.